I'm having a big problem with my chicken coop. Do you see all this sawdust?
Oh.
I didn't put it here. These holes are created by carpenter bees. I didn't know much about them before when I lived in Southern California, but they bore holes inside of wood perfectly, grinding everything down to super fine sawdust, and they make chambers and holes through the wood that are very long. And they'll pack 15 to 20 of them inside of here. They'll stay in these chambers all winter long. And if we don't deal with this, it could ruin the structural integrity of our build, which is something we're gonna have to deal with. I'd feel bad trapping these bees in here, so I'm gonna try to find a way to get them to come out before sealing these holes with some sort of silicone so they don't try to go back inside there or bore any more holes into it. We can put carpenter bee traps. These traps lure the carpenter bees in here away from your house, and hopefully they get stuck in there and they can't make their way out.